Hey guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can save an image with transparent background in the Canva mobile. So here I have this image containing a logo and I want to save it as PNG and an image with no background on or transparent background. So what you guys need to do is just click on the arrow up in here at the top and click on the download option, and here choose the file type as PNG, this one, and click on this box, the transparent background part, so that when it's downloaded or saved, it will save with no background. And after that, just click on download. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on a thanks. Bye.